Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a super useful topic: how to use Gmail on your computer. Whether you're a student, an office worker, or just someone looking to get the hang of email, this video is for you. We'll start right from the very beginning. So, what exactly is Gmail? It's a free email service from Google. With Gmail, you can send and receive emails, attach files like documents and photos, and communicate professionally. Honestly, it's essential these days for everything from schoolwork and job applications to online forms and even banking services. To get started on your computer, you'll need a laptop or desktop, an internet connection, a web browser like Chrome, and of course, a Gmail account. If you've already got one, you're all set for the next step. Let's get started. We're diving into a super essential tool, Gmail. Let's get you set up in just a minute. First, open up your web browser on your computer in the address bar at the top. Type in www.gmail.com and press enter. This will take you straight to the Gmail login page. Now, to log in, you'll see a box asking for your email. Just type in your Gmail address, for example, something like your name @gmail.com, and click Next. Then carefully enter your password and click Next again. And just like that, you're in. A quick tip: always keep your password private and never share it with anyone. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. This is where all your new emails arrive. You'll also see options like compose to write a new email, sent to see messages you've sent, and trash for deleted items. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple tech tips. Alright, so you've got your inbox open. See all those lines of text? Each one is an email. The ones in bold are the ones you haven't read yet. Just click on any one of them to open it up and see what's inside. You can read the message and see if there are any attachments. Simple, right? Now, for the fun part, sending your own email. Look for a button that says Compose. Click that, and a new window will pop up. You'll see a to field. That's where you type the email address of the person you're sending it to. Below that is the subject line, just a quick title for your email. Then, in the big box, you write your message. Want to add a photo or a document? Find the little paperclip icon and click it. This lets you choose a file from your computer to send along with your email. Just wait for it to finish uploading and you're all set. Thanks for watching. Okay, you've written your email, now what? Before you hit send, always double-check the email address and give your text a quick once-over for any typos. All good? Great. Click send, and boom, it's on its way. You can always find it in your sent folder. Now, what if you get an email you need to respond to? Just open it and click reply. Type out your message, hit send, and you're done. If the email was sent to a group and you want everyone to see your response, use Reply All instead. Need to share an email with someone else? That's what Forward is for. Open the email, click Forward, type in the new recipient's address, and send it off. It's super handy for sharing info. And if your inbox is getting cluttered, just select the emails you don't need and click the delete icon. They'll move to your trash folder. Finally, to find an old email, use the search bar at the top. Type in a name or a keyword, press enter, and you'll find it in seconds. Saves so much time. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, let's talk about some super important Gmail safety tips. Always remember these rules to keep your account safe. First, never ever click on links from people you don't know. Second, don't open any attachments that look suspicious. Third, always double-check the sender's email address to make sure it's legitimate. If you're using a public computer, make sure you log out when you're done. And finally, create a strong, unique password for your account. These simple steps are your best defense. So why is learning Gmail so crucial? It helps you communicate professionally with anyone, anywhere. It's essential for applying for jobs and using tons of online services. Plus, mastering Gmail actually improves your overall computer knowledge. It's a fundamental skill in today's world. Now you have the basics of using Gmail safely. The key is to practice every day. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next class.